Hey everyone, in today's video we will learn how to make this cute flower coaster which also can turn into a beautiful bouquet. Just fold this into half, then make a triangle like this, then hold both the edges like this. Now this string, make a knot, and this is our flower bouquet after a knot. Let's make this. So here I'm using pink, green and hot pink yarn. The crochet hook is 5.0 mm and a pair of scissors. So let's start it. With the white yarn, let's make a magic ring first. Hold the tail with your thumb and ring finger. Then make a cross like this. Hold this end with your pinky. Insert your hook into this loop. Pull up a loop. Turn it around. Then right here, work chain 1. This is the magic ring. Now let's add one more chain. And now we will work in this magic ring. So this chain 2 will be count as our first double crochet. Now we will work 7 double crochet into this magic ring. For double crochet, yarn over your hook, insert your hook into the loop, pull up a loop. You have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through first 2, yarn over, pull through last 2. This will be counted as our second double crochet. Now work on third, yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. 3 double crochet. Let's work on our 4th, 5th, 6th, 7 and 8. After 8 double crochet, pull this tail to close the magic ring. Now where we did our chain 2 into the third chain, this V, insert your hook, then pull up a loop, work 1 slip stitch. For slip stitch, pull this loop through this loop. So this is our first row with 8 double crochets. Now we will do chain 2, 1 and 2. For row 2, we will increase our double crochets. From this chain, we will work 2 double crochet in 1 stitch. Yarn over to this chain, insert your hook, pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2. Again into the same gap, insert your hook and then work second double crochet. Like this, we will increase in each of the stitches. Again, yarn over into the next stitch, 1 double crochet and then second double crochet. Like this, complete the row with increase in each of the stitch. Let's do our last increase. In total, you should have 16 double crochets. After this, right here in this first V, work 1 slip stitch. Again, chain 2. Again, we will increase in each of the stitches. Insert your hook into this very first stitch. Chain 2 will be count as our first double crochet. This is second. Now increase in each of the stitches. Let's work on our last stitch. In total, you should have 32 double crochets. Into this, we work one slip stitch. If you want, you can just make only 3 rows and then start the petals or leaves, but I want to add one more row. Let's repeat the process, increase in each of the stitches. Let's close the row with a slip stitch. One slip stitch, then chain 1, pull this off, make it tight. So our center part is complete. Now we will add leaves. Leaf, I'm using green yarn. First, we will make a slip knot. For slip knot, again, make a cross like this. Insert your hook. Don't turn it around. Just make a knot like this. Now, insert your hook in any of the stitches. Then pull this slip knot. And keep the end secure. Now work chain 2, 1 and 2. This chain 2 will be count as our first double crochet. Now after chain 2, we will work one more chain. After this chain 3, we will work one double crochet into the same chain gap. Insert your hook, pull through 2 and pull through 2. After this, we'll skip this next stitch and into the next stitch, into the second opening, work one double crochet. After one double crochet, chain 1, again into the same gap, work one double crochet. Now again skip one stitch, into the second opening, one double crochet. While securing the edge, chain 1, again into the same, one double crochet. Skip one stitch, into the next, one double crochet. And now chain 1, again same gap, one double crochet. Like this, we will complete the row. Our leaves are almost ready. Let's work on our last stitch. Here make a slip stitch, then chain 1, cut this off, make it tight, and now we will work on our petals. For petal, again make one slip knot, make a cross, insert your hook, then make a knot like this. Now to make petals, we will turn it around on the wrong side where we skip this stitch to these parts. Insert your hook and then pull up a loop with the pink yarn while securing the end. And now we will work chain 3. 1, 2 and 3. After chain 3, yarn over, insert your hook into the same gap, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through first 2. Again, yarn over, insert your hook into the gap, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through first 2. Yarn over, pull up a loop, pull through first 2. You have 4 loops on your hook. Let's do the last one. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 loops on our hook. Yarn over, pull through all these 5 loops. Then chain 2. 1 and 2. Now into this V, we will work 1 single crochet. For single crochet, insert your hook, pull up a loop, have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2. This is our first petal. After 1 single crochet, again into this gap, we will repeat the process. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, pull through 2, yarn over, set your hook, pull up a loop, pull through 2, insert your hook, pull through 2, insert your hook, pull through 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yarn over, pull through all these 5. Chain 2. After chain 2 into this V, work 1 single crochet. Like this, make petals into all these gaps. Let's work on our last petal. In this V, work 1 single crochet. After that, where we did our chain 2, insert your hook, work 1 slip stitch, chain 1, then cut this off. Our mini bouquet or coaster is complete now. You can just make a triangle and then pull the edges. Then you can tie the string here. For string, it's very simple. Again, I'm using green colored yarn. First, make a slip knot. And then chain 30. If you want, you can add 5 more chains. This is our chain 30. Let's make a knot here. And our bouquet is ready. If you liked today's tutorial, it was easy for you to make, please follow and subscribe for more. Bye bye.